Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Denzel, aka Images by Zell. What I decided to do was a little comparison between natural light and the studio lighting. The last couple of videos you see me do all has something to do with natural light in some kind of capacity. Even this video I'm shooting right now was done by natural light. I got light coming in from the window that is lighting me right now. There's no other lights on in the room except for the daylight coming in that's lighting me. So what you're watching right now on the screen is an example of a video being shot completely by natural light, which is a really cool form of light, and why I talk about it so much on this channel, because it's completely free. It costs me no money to open the window to film this. It is also very quick to set up. I didn't have to do any pre-lighting or anything like that. Only setup I had was setting up the camera and opening the window. That was it. Natural light can have a really cool aesthetic to it, and when it's not like harsh noonday bright sunlight that's just crashing down on you, it has a really soft look to it as well, which can be very flattering for most people. That's why I always say, if you're not super technical or you're trying to figure out how to do videos on a budget or the cheapest way as possible, get your camera, go next to a window or go outside, find a shaded spot so that way you don't have this harsh light coming on you if it's a bright sunny day. Now, like on the flip side, you have studio lighting, and depending on the scenario you're in, that actually may be better than trying to use daylight. You can only control daylight to a certain extent for free. On the flip side, studio lighting, lights that either need to plug into a wall or are battery operated that you put on a light stand, they cost money because you have to pay to buy them. But once you have them, depending on what you're trying to do, you may be able to create the look you want easier than you can with natural light. So when you're making videos and deciding what type of light you want to use, you have two things you have to think about. You have the overall style of the video. What look fits this video? So now you have that to think about. Then you have to consider price. Okay, what can I do with my budget? Then you also have to consider time. How long is it going to take me to execute this look that I want between using natural light or studio lighting? So those are just things to think about. You know, you can't just say, oh, natural light is free. It is free, but is it free to do what you need to do for your shoot? And you can't just say, oh, studio lights cost a lot of money. They could cost a lot of money based on what you get, but maybe it is the best thing for that job, and it's not so much about it being free, it's about getting it done fast. That's what you have to think about with videos. Depending on what you're doing, maybe you just need a light. Maybe it doesn't matter what it looks like. I just need to make sure that it's bright enough so people can see it, and that's okay. But if you're wanting to do something creative like a short film or a music video or even an interview, but you want it to look good, these are the things you have to consider. What do I want to achieve? What do I want my end product to look like? What do I have to work with? What's my budget? And then these things can kind of help you decide which way you should go, because one isn't better than the other. But anyway, that's going to wrap it up for us in this video. Thank you so much to everyone for watching. I've had such a big increase in subscribers over the last month, so I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been subscribing and watching my videos and sticking around. I appreciate it so much. I do not take it for granted. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions or just want to say, hey, what's up? I'll respond and I'll say, hey, what's up back. Like the video if you liked it. Hit subscribe if you're new here, and hit that notification bell as well, so that way you can see when I upload a new video. But anyways, that's it for this one. Peace.